News.
Kane's decision to suspend rather than end his campaign allows him to continue to raise money and receive matching federal funds. It's time for first check of the weather with Russ now, and it's kind of nasty out there right now, slippery and all full of snow.
Yeah, well said. Yeah, this is really our first major dose of winter here. Coming at the beginning of December, we've delayed it for a while, so we knew it would come at some point though. Let's take a look at Storm Tracker. And it's actually turned out that some of the heavier bands have actually set up more around the Mankato area and further off to the southwest and northwest. Originally, it was expected that more of the heavier bands were going to wind up more in the Rochester area. So really, we're winding up with more snow than originally expected. We've had 4 inches in the Mankato area right now so far, with some areas actually getting upwards of 6 inches in the area. Now the snow should start to taper off around midnight tonight, so we're about done. But as far as visibilities go, you can see that heavy snow reflected in visibilities right now. Visibility is down to 3 miles in Mankato, 5 miles in Fairmont. You can see 10 miles out in Marshall where it's not snowing, just a few flurries out there. As far as temperatures go though, we've been on the downhill slide. We started out in the 30s earlier on today. Temps now sitting in the upper to middle 20s out there, and that's going to be the bigger news, Andy, coming into the day tomorrow and for the next several days after. Temperatures are going to become colder and actually slightly below average here for the next several days. We'll have those full details coming up in just a few minutes.
All right, thanks, Russ. Well, our area has been dodging major snowstorms for the past month, but south central Minnesota got its